Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to convert a PDF to an Excel file, and this is quite easy. But first of all, I need to tell you I use the website ilovepdf.com, and this website can fix everything for or around a PDF file for you. So from now we click on PDF to Excel, upload the PDF that we want to use for Excel. So let's say I want to use this file. Right now, click on no OCR, that is fine. You can only do OCR with Premium. You need to buy that, but for now, no OCR is fine. And let's create multiple sheets, then we convert to Excel. And I need to tell you something because this is a file with only images. So let's see what happened in Excel if we do this. Now we open the LVB tekening file. So if you can see, it's very difficult because I have only paintings in it. But hey, he created an Excel file. And trust me, if you have numbers or signs or something in a file, in your PDF file, then this one is much better. But this is how you can transfer or convert your PDF file to a Excel file. So don't use images. So if you can see here in this file, if you use numbers, signs, everything around that, he will definitely create a good one. So this is how it works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.